Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to remove video background in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to CapCut application first. Once you are there, just head over to any video. And in there you will find uh you'll find your video, and from here navigate to the right editing panel and select remove background. And here you will find remove background. So as you can see, there's background, but there is no option of go to edit. And here you may find the remove background option. So remove background. So here you can do auto removal, but it is for premium, CapCut premium. So we were doing custom. So custom, I'm using just brush, and I'm just removing this, and it is currently applying the removal. So once it is done, you can see it like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.